Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing enchiladas, but we're doing Italian style enchiladas. That's right, I think I invented something. We're going to start off with some eggplant that I floured up, hit with a little bit of egg and then breadcrumbs. We're going to fry that eggplant up golden brown. Set on some paper towel, let cool. Once it's cool, we're going to slice it into about 1-inch thick strips, and we'll set those to the side. Next, we're going to get our non-stick pan, a little bit of avocado oil. I've got half of a yellow onion that I diced up. I'm going to put that in the pan, get the heat on, and we'll cook those onions for a few minutes. Hit them with a little bit of salt and pepper. And while I'm doing that, if I can get you to please like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends and family about the channel. It really helps me grow. I appreciate that very much. And I hope you're enjoying these shows. I hope you're learning a little bit. Alright, so once we get our onions cooked up a little bit, I've got 1 pound of Italian sausage. I like the hot, so I bought the hot, but you can get the mild. It's up to you. I'm going to put that Italian sausage right in there with the onions, and we're going to cook that up. You want to gently break up that brick of sausage as you brown it, and try to break it into bite-sized pieces. And that's what you're looking for. We're going to set that to the side and let that cool. I've got 10 taco-sized flour tortillas. I've got an 8x10 baking pan that I've just poured a little bit of heavy cream in the bottom. Spread that out evenly. Take my flour tortilla, put 2 strips of the fried eggplant, and then fill that inside out with the sausage. Then I've got some shredded Romano cheese. I'll put that right in there as well. And then we're going to tightly roll this up. Set that into our baking dish. And watch again. Eggplant, sausage, cheese, tightly roll and set into our dish. Now once we get all of our enchiladas rolled up and put into our dish, we're going to take some more heavy whipping cream and pour that right over the top. Make sure everybody's covered nice. And then I've got a package of whole milk shredded mozzarella. And I'm going to sprinkle that on top as well. And as this cooks, that cream and that mozzarella cheese is going to develop into a very nice Alfredo sauce. I got my oven preheated at 350. Pop that right in there. And about 25-30 minutes later, we'll pull it out of the oven, let it rest for a few minutes, cut it up, a little Italian parsley, and serve. And you've got an original dish, Italian enchiladas. Enjoy, folks, and come back.